Hello, boys and girls. Today we are still in Unit 9, the topic on holiday, under the subtopic Smart Kids. For today's lesson, I am using Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So I'm aware that some of you might not have this book at home, but you don't have to worry because all the things that we are going to use today are on the slide. Okay, now let's look at our learning objective for today's lesson. So by the end of this video, you should be able to listen and understand picture descriptions, read all the picture descriptions, match each description to the correct picture, and lastly, use the correct conjunction and by in sentences. Okay, now we are going to look at the 3 sentences given to us and we are going to match it to the correct picture. Okay, the first one, at the weekend, Serena and Steve went to the forest. Serena picked flowers and Steve caught a big fish. Okay, looking at this sentence, you have to identify who are the characters. So it is clearly stated here, Serena and Steve. Where are they? They are at the forest. And what are they doing? So Serena was picking up the flowers while Steve was catching a big fish. Okay, move on to the second sentence. Yesterday, Steve and Serena went to the beach. They swam in the sea and saw a lot of fish. Okay, again the characters remain the same, which are Steve and Serena, but this time they went to the beach. And what are they doing? Both of them were swimming in the sea and they saw a lot of fish in the sea. And the last sentence, yesterday morning, Steve and Serena went fishing. Serena caught a big fish and Steve took pictures. Okay, the same thing. There are 2 characters, Steve and Serena, but at this sentence, they are doing different things. If you look at the first sentence, Serena picked flowers and Steve caught a big fish, whereby for the third sentence, Serena caught a big fish and Steve took pictures. Okay? Alright, now let's look at the picture. See? Serena caught the fish and Steve took picture. And the second picture, and this time Steve caught a big fish while Serena was picking up the flowers. And the last picture, both of them are in the sea swimming and enjoying the view of the fish in the sea. Okay, move on to... Okay, now let's see. Let's match them together. So this picture, yesterday morning, Steve and Serena went fishing. Serena caught a big fish and Steve took pictures. Okay, and then at the weekend, Serena and Steve went to the forest. Serena picked flowers and Steve caught a big fish. Okay, and lastly, yesterday, Steve and Serena went to the beach. They swam in the sea and saw a lot of fish. So there are 3 sentences and there are 3 pictures. I'm going to give a worksheet exactly the same as this, and this video might guide you to write the sentences correctly according to the picture. Okay, alright, move on to the next task. So for this one, you are using the conjunction and but to combine sentences. Okay, there are 2 columns here and there are 5 pictures. So you have to combine the left column to the right column using these 2 conjunction. Okay, right, let's look at the first one. Okay, this picture, look at this picture. Tim went to the shop and he bought a book. So the conjunction here is and. Okay, and the second picture, Wendy went swimming but she did not catch any fish. You see, from the picture you can see she caught nothing, right? Okay, and then move on to the third sentence. Sarah swam and picked shells at the beach. So she's doing 2 activities on the beach. And the fourth picture, Bill fell down but he did not hurt himself. So you look at him, he was tripping off, but he is he was perfectly fine. Okay. And the last picture, there is a shopping center and a park in my hometown. Alright, so now it's time for you to answer the quiz. I'll provide the quiz link to you on the WhatsApp, and you just give a click on that link. It will direct you straight to the quiz, and you just got to answer it. You don't have to print anything out. You just have to print the worksheets that I'm going to attach later, okay? Alright, I think that's all from me. So if you have any question, any hesitation, do reach me at this number, and stay safe and have a good day. Thank you very much.